we're back with a look at what's making moves on the markets. The JSE is firmer so far at midday trade, while its global peers are mixed as markets struggle for direction amid a lack of new information. At least one factor that is mostly contributing to the moves in stocks is uncertainty about what the U.S. Federal Reserve plans to do for 2022. Let's see if we can make sense of it with Carmen Mpelwane, Portfolio Manager at Absa Asset Management. She joins us to talk us through the latest moves. Thank you very much, Carmen. Happy Tuesday to you. So give us a sense of how we're doing at midday trade.
Yeah, so we've opened up quite strong this morning, JSE up about 1%, and that's largely been driven by resources, retail, as well as the banking index, which all see upside of about 2% today.
Gold is holding steady as Russia-Ukraine concerns keep the safe haven metal supported near a one-week high. What's driving those moves?
Yeah, so concerns remain around Russia and Ukraine. As we know, Russia's moved more troops up to the border, and therefore there seems to be an increased risk of invasion. However, in the last day or two, the president of France has spoken with Putin. However, nothing has come from that and no breakthrough from that side. However, President Biden has also stated that if there was an invasion, they would pull back on a pipeline specifically focused on Russia. Russia have said that they won't be moving forward, but the concern still remains.
Let's take a look at RCL Foods. They've published a trading statement for the 6 months ending December 2021. How have they fared?
Yeah, so a light trading statement in terms of information, but strong in terms of recovery for RCL. So they've guided headline earnings per share to be up between 15 to 23.7%. Keeping in mind these are brands that include the Oma rusks, which include 5-Star Maize, as well as Yum Yum peanut butter. But I think more importantly right now, we're seeing a strong drive in the growth for pet food. And I think that has been one of the key driving factors for the group at this point. They have said and mentioned that a further tailwind for them comes off the back of higher cost in the comparative period in 2020. 2020. So that has given them a significant boost as well, coming off that low base.
So according to the latest TransUnion SA Vehicle Pricing Index, the rate of increase in new vehicle prices declined to 2% in the fourth quarter of 2021. That's from 9.6% in the same quarter of 2020. Talk us through those findings.
I think a key factor for vehicle sales has been the impact on new vehicle supply chain. And from that, what has led to that is the semiconductor shortage. So that has had a huge impact on the supply of new vehicles for the last 18 to 24 months. And in so doing has forced the demand of pre-owned vehicles up. And we've seen that come through, as you've mentioned, in pricing. So new vehicle prices have been muted compared to previous year, which had a 9.2% growth, whereas the pre-owned, we are seeing that that's largely been driven by significant demand. I'm sure if anyone is looking for a car at the moment, just going into the pre-owned market, supply also very, very slim and very thin. Having said that, the ratio of pre-owned to new cars has been steady at about 2.3 pre-owned cars to one that has been purchased.
If all else fails, use a bicycle or your 2 feet. Thank you very much, Carmen Mpelwane. She is the Portfolio Manager at Absa Asset Management.